Gents, let's get to your stock picks for today. Coming to you, Grant, what are you picking?
I'm just chuckling because my stock pick is Anglo American today. So
Oh,
it was a
oh,
very
nice
interesting
segue.
question.
Okay, nice.
Really jumped the gun there. Yeah, I think it is looking interesting here, and I'll tell you why. I think Anglo's looks interesting, particularly because Billiton is the higher quality operator and it's lower risk. Anglo's has got a much higher risk profile because it's the PGMs, the platinum and the diamonds, which have been under significant pressure. But if you take them as a percentage of earnings now, they're well below 20%. If you add the two together, it's maybe 15, 16% of Anglo's earnings. So the risk to earnings is significantly reduced. You've got the prospects for iron ore and copper still embedded in Anglo's. And then you've got the optionality should platinum kick up from here or diamonds start to recover. We are seeing signs of a recovery there as well. So I think Anglo's looks interesting at these levels. I would start buying. I'm not saying now's the moment and go all in, but I would start buying here. And I think it looks interesting.
All right. Alex, we do know your stock pick for today, Standard Bank. The floor is yours.
Yes, I think, as Grant alluded to, the results was very good, but well guided for, and perhaps the guidance was a bit disappointing. But if you take a 2 to 3 year view, I still think the Standard Bank are well positioned. First of all, their balance sheet is very strong. If you look at the capital adequacy ratio, their provisioning is also quite high. So they will have a lot of room for any potential surprises. If it doesn't happen, you can unwind those provisions as well, which will boost earnings growth rates. They can also increase dividend cover even further if they want to. So I think there's a lot of options on the pool, and they do have some actual growth potential. Despite the dismal economic conditions in South Africa, they've been growing quite well over a few years. Strong franchises, good management. I think if you are willing to wait a little bit, you will make a decent return, especially perhaps in the second half of this year or first half of next year when interest rates do start coming down and perhaps risk on sentiment towards emerging markets start getting better. And of course, the elections in SA also something in the past. I think that will help a little bit because you do need foreigners to buy our companies, specifically the banks, because it tends to be quite a consensus buy from a professional investors at the moment, which concerns me a little bit. But I do think that when the foreigners do come back in, they'll give that extra layer of growth ahead for the banks.
All right. Well, thank you so much, gents, for your time and for your analysis today. Really appreciated. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers and Alex Duys from Umthombo Wealth. Up next, the closers. Stay with us.